Hi there, students. Objurgate, a verb to objurgate, and the noun objurgation. Okay, this is a very formal word. It means to tell somebody off, to be angry with them, to rebuke them, to scold them, or to berate them. So the man objurgated the puppy for the yellow stain on the carpet. Yeah, to shout at somebody because you're angry with them because they've done something wrong. The student went into the headmaster's office, and the headmaster objurgated the student so loudly that everybody outside could hear. Okay, so to objurgate, to rebuke, to scold, an objurgation. He gave me such an objurgation that I vowed never to do it again. Okay, the judge objurgated the criminal when he heard the things that he had done. Yeah, or a sergeant major. He objurgates his troops when they commit the slightest infraction. Yeah, he objurgates them and then probably sends them off to peel potatoes for a month. Yeah, okay, so to yell at somebody, yeah, or to admonish them, you shouldn't have done that, but it's like giving them a harangue. Yeah, the mother objurgated her son for 15 minutes about as a result of his bad school report. Okay, so to objurgate. Notice, to objurgate is a regular verb. Yeah, the mother objurgated her son for 10 minutes. She has objurgated him on many occasions before. The policeman objurgated the driver for leaving his car in the middle of the road. So now, formality. This is a very formal word. I think I'd give it an 8. It sounds very literary, and you can't use a word like this in an informal conversation. I think in an informal conversation, many native speakers are not going to know what it means. They might guess it from the context, but little more. Yeah, so I think informally, to tell off, neutrally, to scold, maybe a little bit more formally, to rebuke. Yeah, the objurgation was so vehement that the girl started to cry. This is a formal literary word, so you need to use it in the right place. I think this would sound quite good in a poem or in a legal document or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, managers should not objurgate their employees severely, even if they've done the wrong thing. The objurgation should be moderate and mild. Yeah. Okay, and then what about the origin? Well, this comes from Latin, from objurgo. Okay, ob, against, and then jurgate. This comes from litigate. So to dispute, jurgo in Latin, to dispute. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, ob, jurgare, so ob, and then to against and scold, or to sue at law. Jurgare, liturgare. Yeah, litigate, and that's what it's linked to. Okay, so his objurgation was so loud and vehement that it seemed totally disproportional. So to objurgate, to tell off, to be angry with, but in a very formal sense. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Objurgate, objurgation.